Hello everyone, this is Miss Maria and Miss Minnie from DWIN Technology. Today we will show you how to use the cell phone to achieve the remote control to our thermostat. Also, our smart LCM has the Wi-Fi module. Okay, this is our thermostat. Here you can see here. We wired the Wi-Fi module. I had collect the VCC and GND, so we can do something. Okay. This is the cell phone. So now, if I like to adjust the temperature by our cell phone, you just need to first download the app. How to do? Okay. Here, sign in. This is my sign in your account. Here, this is my account. And also password. If you say Chinese in this page, you can click here to change the language, Chinese or English. Okay, need to re-input. And okay, sign in. Here, this interface is English. So you need to add the device into your cell phone. Here, scan. Plus. I only use this one, scanning code, adding device. QR code. And here, this is the Chinese demo, but I can show this is the setting. This is the Wi-Fi setting. This is the Wi-Fi setting. And this is the status. And this is the net QR code. You can see QR code familiar? Okay, scan it. Okay, when you scan it, the device added successfully. This is my device. Okay, here you can make comparison. This is the thermostat. This is the cell phone interface. Now let's see what we can do. Increase. 28. Decrease. And here you can change the hot, cold mode. Now it's in cold mode. Click here. Here is the hot mode or wind mode, wind. And you can also set wind speed. This is the no. This is the mid. This is the high. This is high. And also this is automatic. And here you can set the timing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. Here, it's the same. Okay. And here is the skin resurface. Message sending. Startup statistics. Usage time. No speed time, middle speed time, like this. 7 days statistics. You can get the data. Yesterday. You can also modify the name. Now it's test thermostat, and here you can change to modify it. Let's say test Maria. Modify. Okay. Here you can't see Maria, but you know the remote control is based on the DWIN cloud platform. So here, this is the DWIN cloud platform. Okay, that's the most. This is the device list. This is what you used before, and this is my I just add, and this is online. Online is the status, and here you can do the debug. So many debug, and also device upgrade and Wi-Fi upgrade, and you can also view details. The main question is that when you add the device here, when you add, you can see the device manufacturer address, classification address, and product number address. This address is quite important because we need to write it down in the 22 files. Okay, 22 files. This is before. This is wrong, but this is the same regulation. We need to write something here to match the DWIN cloud platform and also this device. So finally, we also here change again. Okay, turn down. 25, 24, hot mode, high speed, time setting. Today is Tuesday. Okay, and timer. Tuesday, you can okay here. Time interval setting. This is the time interval. You can set like this. Okay, so if you install the DWIN thermostat in your house, and you can achieve the remote control via the cell phone. Okay, thank you. That's all. Bye bye.